Alright everybody, I am entering into the dungeon, which is a crawl space here in Denver, over on Colorado and Yale, where we're doing all of the tinning. So far, this is what we have gotten done. Going into the boots up here, we got a few stub ups, which we did yesterday. Straps up to the ceiling. Everything is ran. It's like amazing here. Everything is ran into the plenum, where the furnace is located. We ran more duct going in the boot that way and that direction. This is the flue pipe going up and out, which goes straight out into the ceiling, which everything is ran with this pre-made 2-wall duct, which I will show you where that is entering out. Okay, as you can see, it goes straight up into the ceiling up there, all the way down to where I showed you the flue was. Alright, so I showed you where the flue was. Now I'm going to go up this slippery step ladder, show you what it looks like on the other end. Very carefully. That's it right there. It goes up to the top. Has to stick a foot above the ridge, and that is the conclusion of that. Now what the rest of what I'm going to show you now is going to be the rest of the tinning that we're going to be doing in the basement, well, crawl space I should say. It's cold out here, so at least we got the heat going for now. And then, like I showed you before, that's where it goes out for the flue.